Hey, Steve Basic Architect. I'm out here at our historical renovation project with the project manager Taylor from Shoreline Builders and walking around checking on a bunch of things. You saw that earlier video of the window that was pretty much just kind of a punched opening in the wall. But when you come along this side, look at, they actually have a sill here. They actually have some jacks to the window, and we have a beam up there, although it's getting a little tired. I don't know if you can pick up on it, but the center of that beam is probably down about an inch, inch and a quarter from the ends. But the interesting thing here, unlike the other window, is, see if I can get in the shade here, or this one actually has a metal pan that the window sits in. Now, the reason for that is out here, that metal pan extended and there was an old shed roof there that basically came right up to the windowsill. So, you know, when you talk about risk aversion, the one on the other side didn't really have any roof right below it. This one had a roof coming right up against it. So they put in those metal pans, and you can see this one also has that metal pan in there, although it's probably not the best fabrication of a metal pan, but the intent was there. So even water management back then. Anyways, Steve Basic Architect from our historic Reno.